What can I do you for, sir?
I want mouse.
Mouse? Mouse? What do you think this is, a pet shop?
Chocolatey mouse.
Chocolatey mouse? Chocolatey mouse. Oh, chocolate mouse. You want a chocolate mouse?
No, chocolate mouse.
Yes,
chocolatey mouse.
No, we say chocolate mouse. No, we haven't got chocolate mice here. You have to go sweet shop for them.
No, not mice, mouse.
Mice, my friend, is the plural of mouse, you see.
Chocolatey mouse. Chocolatey mouse, that.
Oh, that is chocolate mousse. Chocolate mousse, you mean, is it? Chocolate mousse?
Chocolatey mouse.
No, that's called chocolate mousse.
Chocolatey mouse.
Yeah, yes, well, you could call it that, I suppose. Well, I mean, you can call it what you like, can't you, really? Yes, one chocolatey mouse.
Chocolatey mouse.
Yeah, very good. So I'll wrap it up. What next?
Purry.
Curry?
Purry.
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 Purry?
Purry.
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 Yeah.
Tomato purry.
Tomato
purry.
Tomato purry.
Tomato
purry. Oh, tomato puree. That's what you mean, tomato puree.
No, tomato purry.
No, I must correct you on this way. The pronunciation, the correct pronunciation is tomato purry. Tomato purry. Now, Molly, are we out of tomato purry, love? Tomato purry.
Are we out of what?
Tomato purry. Oh, it's all right. It's right here. It's right here under my nose. There we are. So one jar of very nice tomato purry. There we are.
Are you two drunk?
Shut up and clear up. Apologies on behalf of the wife, sir.
Sodder?
Yeah, that's what I say, yeah.
Sodder.
Yeah.
Sodder.
Oh, yes.
Sodder. Bicarbonate of soda.
Oh, bicarbonate of... Oh, we're back on the list, are we? The bicarbonate of soda. Very good. Bicarbonate of soda.
Bicarbonate of soda.
Bicarbonate of soda. They have their uses, don't they, sir? Yes, sir. There we are. Bicarbonate of soda. So, yes, anything else?
Bicarbonate, yes. Jewish?
No, she looks a bit Jewish, but she's not.
No, Chinaman.
We're not Chinaman. We're both C of E. C of E.
Oh, C of E.
You're not C of E. She's not C of E, are you? You're Muslim, ain't you?
No, C of E. C of E.
C of E.
C of E.
Coffee! I mean C of E.
Oh, C of E,
Where
yes.
is it, dear?
Well, it's over where it always is, by the juice, like.
Jewish.
Oh, that's the Jewish, is it?
Jewish.
Oh, that's the Jewish. I see, yeah. Now, what flavour Jewish would you like, sir?
Apricot.
A pricket. Oh, yes. Got your pricket Jewish. What?
Cinnamon.
Oh, cinnamon Chinaman. Oh, she's found a Chinaman for you. Yes.
Pricket Jewish.
What else would you like?
Tongue.
Not at all, sir. My pleasure.
No. No, not the pleasure. Tongue.
Tongue.
Tin of tongue.
Oh, a tin of tongue. Oh,
Tongue.
there we are. Look, there we are. The Bront tongue. Is that the one? Yes, there we are. Bront tongue. What else then?
A pea.
Pea.
Tinned or frozen?
Pea. I'm not talking pea.
Pea. Oh, I know. Oh,
Pea.
yes,
I want pea.
Yes, of course, yes.
I want...
Well, look, you go out here...
No, please, not that.
No.
Pea. Willendam pea.
Willendam pea. Oh, Vealandam pea, yes. A nice slicky of that. So there we are. Vealandam pea. Now, come on, give me a really hard one. Come on, so now, give me one.
I want a soup.
Soup. Ah, now I'm catching on to this. You want soup to wash your hands with, don't you? Yeah. Right. Well, we don't sell that, so you have to go down to the chemist. He's a very nice bloke. He'll cure anything.
My malady?
Yes, he'll cure your malady for you, yes.
My malady.
My malady.
My malady.
My malady.
My malady for the two hours.
The 2 hours?
For the 2 hours. The 2 hours at the breakfast with the C of E on the 2 hours.
Oh, I've
My
got
malady.
you. Oh, I've got you. A nice cup of C of E, couple of slices of 2 hours with the malady on the top spread on. There we are. The malady. That's the stuff. There we are. Anything else, sir?
Cack.
Plum? Cack. Right. Oh, yes, cack. Very good. There we are. One Sierra Lee's, a very own chocolate cack. That's the one, isn't it? Is that the lot, sir?
Chocolatey cack.
Yes.
Chocolatey cack. Chocolatey mousse.
Yep.
Tomato purry.
Yep.
Bicarbonate of soda. Jewish Chinaman. C of E. Apricot juice.
Yep.
Tongue pea. Soup. My malady. And the cack.
Ah, wonderful.